Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel Guide Hub. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to create an account in Sephora. It is the online based retailer offering a wide range of beauty and skincare products from various brands. Now get started the video. First of all, open up any web browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome and bring up the search bar and just type in Sephora.com and hit the search. Now it will take you to the official website of Sephora. Now to create a new account, just click on the sign in option which is at the top right of your screen. Just tap on it. Now over here, if you already have an account, just enter the email address over here and similarly enter a password over here. And once you click on sign in option, you'll easily access your account. For now, I'm creating a new account, so click on the create an account at the last. Just tap on it. Now over here you just need to enter the email address and hit on the continue option. Now it will show this kind of interface. You just need to fill the form. Over here you just need to enter your first name. Similarly the last name over here. And create a new password. Over here enter your number. Just click on the check bar which is sign me up for Sephora marketing text alert. And also if you want to subscribe to Sephora email, click on the check bar. Just enter your birthday to receive a free gift every year. Over here you just need to enter the zip or the postal code. It is optional guys. And if you want to sign into your account, just click on that. And once you click on join now option, see guys, your account has been created. You are now a beauty insider. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.